Welcome back to Math is Easy, step by step. In this part 49 video, I'm continuing in solving that real world percentage problem concerning markdowns, and I'm going over step 2, and I'm going to conclude and answer this particular real world problem. I do want to emphasize, listen, this is real world stuff we're talking about. You'll be doing this most, if not all, of your life. And so make sure you understand, don't let anybody rip you off. Understand how to find markups and markdowns, as well as total costs, total discounts, including the tax that you'll pay on your items. So, all right, let's just jump right into it. Step 2, you want to subtract the markdown, right? Markdown is your discount of $112 from the cost of the original price for the shoes, which was $350, to get the total cost before what? Before taxes, of course. And which are included in the purchase, before the taxes are included in the purchase price, right? So cost of the shoes was $350. Our markdown, or the discount, money that you saved, was $112. We found that in step 1. Okay, so go back and watch part 48 video if you're unfamiliar with what I'm talking about. So let's subtract 112 from 350, right? I cannot take away 2 from 0. So I have to borrow from the tens place, right? The 5 is in the tens place. 0 is in the ones place. 5 is in the tens place. 3 is in the hundreds place. So I borrow from the tens place. I borrow from that 5. It turns it into a 4. So if I borrow 10 here, I can move that over, put that 1 next to a 0. I have my 10 value right here. Now I can subtract 2 from 10. What is 10 minus 2? It's 8. 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. So I have my value, $238. What does that represent? Okay, so if you said that $238 represents the cost of the shoes after the discount, but before the sales tax is included, you're absolutely right. So I'm not including sales tax in this particular problem, but I will go over sales tax in 2 or 3 of my examples that I have created for you. So right now I'm just showing you slowly how to find the markdown. That's the discount. In some further examples I have for you, I will show you how to find the discount and the tax that you will pay based upon the discount. Okay, so stick around for some of those videos. Hey, let's summarize what we've done so far in parts 1 and part 2. Okay, so to summarize, remember we started off with the cost of these shoes. The original cost was $350. Then we were working on finding the markdown. Okay, another way to say markdown is a discount. That's money you're going to save. Okay, we were able to find that the discount of 32% off of $350 was $112 money saved out of your pocket, right? We subtracted that $112 from the original cost of the shoes, $350, in order to get what? The cost of the shoes with the discount applied was $238. Now, remember, this cost was before our sales tax, right? And sales tax would be considered a markup. Why? Well, because sales tax, you add markups, you add to the value of your cost. In this case, the cost after the discount, $238. All right, so stick around. Got some more real world problems than in a few of my example problems. The price will be much larger. Let's find discounts of costs of vehicles. How much you can earn off given a certain percentage off. And then soon I'll be showing you how to find the taxes on that discounted price. Math is easy. Take it step by step. Thank you for joining me. Please like, follow, share, subscribe. Thank you for your time.